Hello, Michael. My name is Carlos, and Bruno reached out to me. He told me you needed some help with having or trying to sell your DVDs online. Well, actually, allowing your clients to actually stream instead of you actually sending a DVD out to their place. I went ahead and took a look at your website, and there is definitely a way where you can get your clients to buy these videos from you and just to do streaming instead of actually sending something out. I have seen some websites like that. I do internet marketing here in San Diego, and well, basically anywhere in the world. And what I wanted to show you was what my idea of what you can do with a website like that, as far as streaming your videos. For example, you can have a monthly membership, for example, for tips. I don't really know if you do. I know you do like these short tips on YouTube, but maybe an extended version where people can, you go into a little bit more detail. Maybe a subscription. It's up to you how you want to do this. Another way is just be able to stream individual DVDs, or also be able to purchase, the categories. For example, the Bolero series. That's just an example. Here are, let me see, your videos. This is your website. I would definitely make these bigger, more attractive. One thing I did do, I do a lot of research on what people look for. For example, certain type of words people type in, and I don't know exactly how this site is. If this is prefabricated, or you can actually go in here and add things. But one thing that I know for sure is people type in various keywords or words to try to find specific things. For example, if I was to do something with this, I would definitely put a section here kind of going into detail about all these type of dancing, right? Because this landing page could essentially be a reference. Let's say you put a section of types of dance, Bolero, and you type in the history of it, how it started, and a lot of information. So it's like a reference point, right? So people not only are coming here to buy your stuff, but they could potentially be coming here to learn about it, right? So let's say like, for example, what is Bolero, right? You have Wikipedia, which is really hard. You can't really overtake them. It's very difficult. But you have all these other websites. Now, if you were to have your website here, somewhere here in the top, linking back to this page, then the conversion would be a lot higher. Now, if you were to do a video and put it, what is Bolero, I definitely can do that. I can actually get your videos ranking to up in the position. So instead, with the video, people are not going to read. So if you see a video here, more than likely people are just going to go and watch the video. That's the truth, instead of reading through it, unless they're doing some kind of research, or but more than likely people will watch the video, and that is something I can definitely do. I did notice your YouTube channel. I'll come back to your websites. You have two websites. I kind of get it why you do, but so let me go to your YouTube, and I'll just give you a few tips of what you can do with your tips. I mean, your tips are awesome, but here's something that that might help you rank better. For example, let's just take this video. For this, you're naming it tip 123 with Carla. you can definitely change this title. For example, the type of dance include there, maybe a location. I also see that you do travel, and you do these videos all over the world. Now, if you were to, let's say here, for example, I don't know where this is at, but let's say what's in I don't know, Spain, right? What you can do is type in, West Coast Swing City and Spain, tip 109 or tip 109 and 110, where you're at, the type of dance, and actually put West Coast Swing. Why you want to do that? Because if someone is in that specific city and looking for that specific dance, we can definitely get that video in the first page. And what that does is people come to your YouTube channel, and under here, under the description, what you need to do is put a link back to, where is it? Here. Why you want to do that is because people might want to know more. People might want to click more. Now you're sending traffic to your website, and with not putting here nothing here, you're not doing that. You can definitely write a description of where you were at, the type of dance, and a bunch of things that can help this video move up in the positions of, so more people basically come to your website, or you can direct them back to your website or to your store, and that's how you start moving traffic. I do want to go into your website. You do have two websites. This one's what's old. I can definitely tell because just of the structure, right? And I want to show you something. You have a YouTube link here, and it's linking to this specific word. Search is not actually linking to your YouTube channel. It's just a search, and it should be linking to your YouTube channel. Where did it go? Okay, it should be linking to your YouTube channel. And MapQuest is great. That's great, but I would include a map here already. Yelp. There's your Yelp. There's also a way to move up the Yelp page in the rankings, so you get more traffic to your website. This is tip 11. I'm gonna assume it's a very old video from 2012. So the best thing to do is to keep this updated. Let's see. Well, I'm going to show you exactly both of your websites. This one's a little bit newer. Again, I'm going to show you what I would do with the website like this. You are an artist, and for you to not have a website taking advantage of the whole screen, to me, it's kind of a waste. Your YouTube link here is dead, doesn't go anywhere. Twitter goes nowhere. Your RSS feed goes nowhere. Having more interaction with visitors is going to help you a lot. Maybe people want to check out your video. They land here, but hey, you have a YouTube channel. Let me check it out. Let me follow them on Twitter. So let's go back to that website, Starlight Dance. This is a program that I have that tells you exactly what words your website is ranking for. For example, if you were to type in Starlight Dance Studio, you're in position number 1, and there's 140 searches a month. Starlight Dance Studio San Diego, you're in number 1 position with that many searches. Starlight Dance Studio, number 1 position, and that's a pretty good search volume. That's a lot of traffic coming to your website, and that shows here. This is your monthly searches or landings of people coming to your website. It's been pretty steady except here in 010, and then it started to pick up a huge spike here. January 2014, maybe you can remember something special you did, or maybe a video or a place you visited that made people come back to your webpage. Maybe you can replicate that. So you can see all these search volume. Now what I wanted to show you is these are those terms that you're searching for. And a lot of these, let's say for example, this one, 210 searches, dance studios in San Diego. You're in the number 12th position. Dance Studio San Diego, you're in the number 13th position. With, you know, between them, that's, you know, 470 searches. Starlight Ballroom, you know, you are in the 16th position at 260s, and that has your name inside. So I mean, you're losing traffic because that is your that is the name of your website. I'm gonna go and see the search volume, Starlight San Diego. So if I search this, what it shows is this restaurant, right? I don't know how old this restaurant is. I did read your profile. You've been, you know, in San Diego for a long time. If it was me, I would want to be in the number 1 position. So here's your website, number 10. That's something you can definitely do. If you were, you know, people were to search that, you were there. Obviously they have a huge presence here, you know, their website, the menu, their Yelp, TripAdvisor, their Twitter, and you're here. So they have a lot of properties ranking above you for basically your word, your keyword. There's ways to move you up if that's something that, you know, interests you. Like I said, your website, you have 2 of them. And the same thing is with the positioning of your website for, you know, for your videos website, right? So if, let's say if you want to, I'll just show you the search volume there is. I'm sorry, I have a bunch of windows open. Search ballroom dancing. Let's just take an example. You know, I'm searching for the whole county. Ballroom dancing. Okay, so ballroom dancing has 140 searches per month, and it's a medium competition. Now if I was to search ballroom dancing, you're here. You are right at the top, which is good. And it's this page. So you're in a good position. Obviously, to take over Yelp, that's a little bit difficult. But let's say I don't know if you have different types of instructors for, let's say, bachata. Let's bachata San Diego, or you know, any dance that your instructors show, you know, teach. You can definitely rank for, but you have to have your website structured differently. For example, I'm gonna take this website because the other one is just, you know, I don't know, it's very old and I don't want to take a look at it. So basically, for example, if you were to make a menu and put the types of dances, you can definitely, you know, like, you know, types of dance or dances, and make one for like bachata, one for salsa, you know, drop down menu, one for West Coast swing. I don't really know the other dances, but every single page has a title and also a description. I will show you. Let me zoom in on here. As you can see right now, the title of your web page is Starlight Dance Studio San Diego. So, and then the phone number, right? And I will show you exactly how that is. Let me see. And I'll show you what your description is. So what you want to do with every page is put a unique title and description, because that's going to help your website appear above others' websites. So right now, this is, you know, your home page, and then Learn to Dance Like Pros at Starlight. We have 2 large. Come join, exciting. And then come here and I'll show you this title. Learn to Dance Like a Pros at Starlight Dance Studios with 2 large. Okay. So what I'm saying is, if you were to have like a title or a menu, and then, like, let's say I don't know if you, let's put salsa, right? So if you were to put a salsa page, you know, you can have that salsa page with a unique title that's relevant, and basically, like for example, I'll just put this one here has the title is instructor profiles. What I would do is for every instructor, give them a specific page, and you know, target specific. Like for this guy, he Latin dances. Give him a title there. Give him a description that's targeting that. For example, let's go back here. Where is this? Here, bachata dance, right? Like let's say not only do you target it with under the profile of that specific instructor that teaches that, but also under, you know, the types of dances where you can actually put, you know, something about the dance, a little bit of history, just kind of the same thing of what I said for your videos website. Obviously that videos website, you want to be more descriptive, more in depth, more information. But this one can target San Diego, so you can put, you know, a title, bachata dance San Diego dance instructors for bachata, or something like that. You know, basically what I do is I do research on the terms, and then that's how I'll know what to target. I also do is I'll go back to let's say bachata dance San Diego. And who's landing on top? They are. So what do? I go and I scan their website. Obviously they're geared towards Latin dances, and look at their search volume, 1,200. They got a lot of searches. So I look at the search volume, what is getting searched for the most, what position are they in, Latin ladies, Latin dance, right? So they're ranking number 4 for Latin dance. So that's something, you know, this is what you put in one of your titles and your description, or actually your content, Latin dance, and try to target this. Salsa lessons San Diego, that's another pretty good keyword. Salsa classes San Diego. So, you know, I go in and basically target each specific page for relevant keywords, right? You don't just want to have a page that's going to target nothing. You target every single page is an opportunity for you to get people to your website to come, and eventually, you know, the end game is more revenue. So I also wanted to show you your website. This one, Starlight Dance, the speed. I already did these before, so there's definitely some improvements as far as loading for that website. And also the mobile friendly. This one is mobile friendly right now. If you know, you just have to go to any restaurant or anywhere, people are on the phone. People want answers now. I want it now. I want the answers now. So having a mobile friendly website is important, and one of yours is not. Let's see, which one was it? The San Diego one. Starlight San Diego. Yes, this one is not. I can still see it's, you know, like these like as I was saying, those titles, as you can see, Starlight Dance Studio information page, about us, right? I would like put something about you, you know, your name, what, you know, what you're known for, to be more relevant. So let me throw this page, this there, and also the mobile friendly. So page speed is about the same. You can definitely improve. You know, user experience, waiting for this test, and it's not mobile friendly, so it doesn't really, it's, you know, it'll be hard for people to click on it. you have to zoom in, so you know that's something you can definitely fix. And I also wanted to show you some websites that I think would be just like, I mean, you're an artist, right? You want an artist type website. Obviously these are not taking advantage of the full screen, and I think you should. You know, they're like half their screen is like being used. I do have a pretty big screen, but you know, I think it would be good. Also here, your video, you're still on tip 82. That needs to be updated. For example here, weekly classes, monthly, I would put it all under one menu, and then drop down where people can look at the menus instead of taking up the space, because you can put room for more things. And also I did notice on the other website you got something, or you can actually put, you know, a blog where you can come in and answer questions, you know, write a blog. And I mean, this is something definitely I can do. For example, what is West Coast swing? You know, maybe there is a few searches of that a month. And again, let me just, all targets, West Coast swing. This is worldwide. So there's 18,100 searches for this keyword in the world. So maybe let me see how many words for that. Well, not that many, but you know, maybe specific what is called long tail keywords. You know, like for example, what is West Coast swing? Now if you have a blog, you can name your blog title what is West Coast swing, and definitely write about it, what it is. And you know what, when people type that in, your web page is the most relevant. And so, you know, you can get these people landing on your page because that is what you're targeting. You know, like all these long words that, you know, maybe doesn't have a lot of search volume, but you know, this is what I do. I look up what people are searching, target it, and that people convert on your website. So anyways, I wanted to show you some web designs. You know, I think like a dance studio needs to have something like this. You know, look at this. If you can put like a video of you in the background dancing, how interactive is that? That would be very cool. Or something. I'm not too crazy about this one. Or like this, you know, it's moving in the background. Obviously you can change colors, and you know, it's just it's a big screen, make it easy to navigate. Or even like this one, you know, put your dancers, or you know, your classes, or something like this. Obviously you can change colors, pictures, or even something like this. You know, you can definitely make changes. This is actually a dance studio. I don't know exactly where it's at, but obviously you're putting videos. One thing I did like is this one. Not really I like more the structure. You know, it has studio instructors. You know, you can even break it down into categories, right? Latin or ballroom. I don't really know the categories, so I'm just, you know, the schedule, features, you know, classes, you know, boom, pictures, you know, word here, you know, people are gonna click on it instead of reading. You know, you got to make it very easy for people to navigate, to convert, to you know, to give you a call, to check out your schedule. So I really like this one. You know, put a dancing in the back or something. Anyways, I hope this video you found it helpful. I know it was a lot of information, so if you're interested, just talk to Bruno. I think, you know, like you said, I know he told me that your main focus was trying to get people to be able to stream their videos through your website. And yes, absolutely, that is something you can do. You know, like I said, maybe a monthly subscription, or, you know, buy the whole series, or, you know, just, or things like that. And also your YouTube, I mean, I would put those titles, you know, like location and the type of dance, and, you know, kind of spell it out, because what that's going to do is it's just going to get more it's going to be more relevant to what people search, especially for that particular type of dance. And maybe include your name in it too. You know, I don't know how popular your name is, but that would just convert more people back to your website. And, you know, and that's the end game. You want people, you know, just like any business, you want more people calling you, you want more people visit your website, you want more people coming into your business. So if like I said, if you need any help with anything, talk to Bruno, and, you know, we'll go from there. Thank you.